Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, here we go. This is a piece of French bread, toasted. This is a pasture-raised egg. This is that Trader Joe's bruschetta that I have a video about. I also have a homemade bruschetta if you want to check it out. Salt, pepper, olive oil, and some butter. Hey, it's simple snack time. Mike Foster here. I love a simple snack. I love fried eggs. I love bruschetta. This is all put together. A simple bruschetta with fried egg on top on this toasted bread. It's going to be simple but killer and delicious. I can't wait for a big bite. Let's go to the stove, put this egg together. All right, we have a medium warm pan. Butter down. Put the egg right in the middle. Lovely. Okay, we'll let this cook for a couple minutes, then we'll give the old flip through. Get a little pepper. See this right here? It's a little uneven. See, that side's good, this side's a little goopy, so let's move it around. Okay. That looks good. Flip that in about 30 seconds. All right, I'm gonna give it a flip. Put it on low. I'm gonna start trimming the white around it like this because that bruschetta is small, and I just want this little piece of egg like that. I shut it off, and I'm gonna let that solidify just over medium. Let's put this baby together. There's that toasted bread. Put a little olive oil down. Oh, that's more than a little. But that's beautiful. Now you take this bruschetta, put it on top. Trader Joe's did all the work for you. But again, if you want to know how to do this, I have recipes. My mouth's watering. I love bruschetta. And this brand is one of the best. Pile it on, why not? Here's that egg. Right there on top. Look how easy that is. And that's perfect. It fits perfect. A little salt. There it is. There's your close-up. Can't wait for a big bite. There it is. There's a simple fried egg and bruschetta snack. Let's see if this egg flies all over the place when I take this bite. Mmm. It sure did. Mmm. What hits you is the contrast from the warm egg, our creamy yolk, and the cool bruschetta. Keeping it all together is the nice, crunchy toasted bread, and you get that olive oil in the background. It's that simple. One more bite. And baby's killer dough, and that is a sweet babu. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 on YouTube. Subscribe, tell people about it. Keep living Life 365. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
And give it a pepper. Mmm. You had the dishwasher ruining my video. Are you done? This is an outtake. Knock it off! Mike yelling at the Mike yelling at the dishwasher. Okay, thank you. Now, blessed silence. The dishwasher tried to take over. Mmm. I feel like this, all I can say is Baba. That was really good.